onigiri today. Those little rice balls are just adorable.
It totally reminds me of the texture of those chicken rice balls in Malacca. Seriously, it's incredibly easy to make. Onigiri is a traditional Japanese portable food made primarily of rice and shaped into triangles or ovals. It often contains a filling like a pickled plum, salmon, or tuna, and is sometimes wrapped with a strip of seaweed. Today, I made it the simple home-style way. Just throw in my favorite ingredients and shape them into balls. Ingredient: rice, vegan luncheon meat, vegan seaweed floss, broccoli. I'm using this shredded seaweed as a replacement for the veggie chicken. Yeah, only had this brand for now, it's decent. Gonna air fry this pan straight from the fridge so it's extra fragrant. It's the vegetarian mala kind, and it's so good. Yum! Well, you can't have broccoli rice balls without the broccoli. Here's the thing, you just need a little bit of it. Steam or boil it first, then give it a fine chop. That's it. Since I was making this recipe anyway, I tried something new with the leftover broccoli, a fun little recipe. I'll make another video to share it with you all. Stay tuned. I steam my broccoli to preserve its nutrients. Boiling leads to some nutrient loss. Once that's done, just give it a rough chop and set it aside. You'll mix this in with the rice. A rougher chop actually gives it a nicer bite. Transfer the cooked rice into a large bowl, then add all the other ingredients. It's recommended to use a relatively large bowl to make mixing easier. Add a little sesame oil for fragrance, and you can also add salt for a base level of seasoning if you like. I'm skipping the salt myself because the spam is already quite salty. Once everything is mixed, you can start shaping the rice into balls. However, if you just shape it like this, the rice tends to fall apart easily. Look at that! It just won't hold together at all, haha! Here's the trick. Take a piece of plastic wrap and place a portion of the rice in the center. Then, wrap it up and use the plastic to squeeze and shape the rice tightly into a ball. This method is super simple. Just pop the wrapped rice ball into a container, then just chill it. You'll get a perfectly firm rice ball that holds its shape.
And ta-da! Perfect rice balls.
For the filling, you can put in some shredded seaweed too. I'm thinking of making a jumbo rice ball to wrap it all up. Start by pressing a layer of rice, add some veggie seaweed shreds, then just repeat the process to compact it into shape. A giant onigiri, mission accomplished! With the rice balls all lined up, they're ready to serve and enjoy. The big one next to the small ones looks just like a mother rice ball with her children. It's so cute! These broccoli rice balls are super easy. Feel free to get creative and add whatever you like. Like swap the spam for ham, or throw in some diced carrots or corn. I got totally inspired while making these and really want to try salmon rice balls next. Can't wait to make a video and show you. Just a quick note, since I'm eating these soon, I just popped them in the freezer for around 10 minutes. It definitely made them firmer. If you have time, leaving them in longer will help them hold their shape even better. Beyond the basic seasoning of sesame oil and salt, for a richer taste, you can add mayonnaise, soy sauce, or mirin. The real secret is using Japanese furika. It delivers an authentic flavor instantly. If you like this idea, give it a go and make 2 recipes from 1 broccoli. So that's the fun broccoli recipe I was just talking about. I'm gonna edit and upload the video to share with everyone, so stay tuned. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.